Okay, today we are going to make beef roast. For that we would require 1 kg of beef. So first we need to marinate the beef, and we need to cook the beef because it is difficult otherwise if you do it normally. So we need to cook the beef in a pressure cooker for 7 whistles. So for that, to marinate, first we need to add ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, salt, almost 1.5 tablespoon of salt. That means as per your taste, salt is required. Turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Red chili powder, you would require 3 tablespoons of red chili powder. Coriander powder, almost 2 tablespoon coriander powder. Garam masala, 2 teaspoons of garam masala. I have added here 2 teaspoons of garam masala. Then curry leaves and coconut mix. We need to add up the coconut. Almost half a cup of coconut is to be added. Now we will mix up this with the beef and put it in the pressure cooker to cook it up for almost 6 to 7 whistles. Marinate well so that the entire ingredients are getting mixed up with the beef.
A few moments later.
Okay, now the beef is cooked, and now we have to make the masala for making the entire beef roast. So first let this tawa get heated. We will add coconut oil here. We will use here coconut oil because I suggest coconut oil is much tasty for a beef dish than a sunflower oil. So here I am using almost 2 tablespoons. I am not measuring it, but then it will be coming almost 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now once the oil is getting heated, we will add up 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 3 green chilies chopped, and onion sliced. In a medium flame, let the onions get sorted out till golden brown. We will add a little salt. Please remember the salt is already added to the beef while cooking. So just add a minimal salt, and after adding up the beef, we will check on the taste and then add the remaining salt. Now let the onion get sorted out till golden brown. Now the onion is golden brown, and we will now add on the cooked beef. Since the masala is already added, we are not going to add any extra masala to this. There's some masala in the cooker, so I'll just add some water. I've taken half a cup of water and add it. You can see the beef is already cooked. So now we just need to make sure that it gets mixed up with the gravy and Ensure the cooking is done till the water is completely absorbed. So now let this get cooked up in the medium heat. Now the water is completely absorbed and you can see beef is completely mixed up with the masala. If you wish to drain up some little more water, you can do so putting it in the low flame. Now with the final touches, we will be adding a little more coconut oil on top of this. Up to 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Garnished with few curry leaves too. And our beef roast is ready to serve.